Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So we're starting off strong with a Microloc twist install, no extensions. So this is a very good client of mine who's been coming to me for over a year. We originally did some Microloc twist on her, I think about a year ago. I will say a year ago. Yes, a year and some change ago. And her hair, health-wise, just wasn't doing great. So when she came back for her, I think her first retie, I was telling her her hair was kind of coming out, falling out and things, you know, just from the lack of care over the years and blow drying, and, you know, typical things. So I honestly just told her, you know, we should take these out and start over fresh, and maybe you just keep coming to me every few months, and I do like deep conditioning and natural hair care. And that's exactly what she did. We took it out, we healed her hair, we cut off all the hair that we knew we didn't need no more, and then we rode the wave and took care of her hair for a year. And now we finally got to the point where I thought it was great, it would be good to install again. So she is here getting installed. Her hair is really soft, as you can see. So I decided to braid the root and then twist to hopefully give it a more stick, because I've been dealing with her hair, like I said, for over a year, so I kind of know how her hair does with certain things. So this is just me braiding it and twisting it. When you do it like this, the interlocking is pretty minimal, because I don't braid tight at the root, but I normally only need to do 2 swipe throughs with my interlocking tool, and then it's retied. So yeah, she's already at this point come back for about 2 reties, and her hair is doing great. It's locking up towards the middle. She has a couple of problem areas in the very front of her hair where we are still just taking our time, reinstalling when we need to, and making sure we keep her hair healthy. So if you have any questions about this install, please leave them below. I'm gonna let you watch for a while to see what techniques and things I use, and we'll go from there. Earlier how she has a couple of problem areas around her edges. They're just really fine and brittle in some areas. They're still trying to recuperate that health. So like I tell all my clients, I am team edges, so I usually will keep those areas a little bit bigger for that very reason. So I did that here. They're a bit bigger than I would normally do, just to keep the health of them and the integrity long term. Now, when she comes for her reties, most of them are still in. Some of them come out, but it's the same type of thing. You know, your hair's going to come out most likely around where it's the softest, and it is the edges. But you'll see I'll use the crochet tool to retie or interlock the first one, just because it's a little easier to grab than with my other tool, and I don't want to be pulling too hard with my interlocking tool. So you'll see me use that. And then we'll wrap it up here in a moment. So here we are at the end. I braided up each section after I completed it, took it out, hydrated it, shook it a little bit, and sent her on her way. She loved it. We are keeping it up, and hopefully I can do an update video on her reties very soon. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.